Okay, this is the shootout with FlexGuard. We're going to apply the primer for the other material that has to go down, or you have no warranty whatsoever if you don't. So he's going to put this down. He went and bought some primer. It runs about $40–45 a gallon. Put it down, and we're paying this crew $50 an hour also to apply this. And he's just whipping that stuff down like lightning right here. So get this. And he's almost done. Then we'll have to count down to 20 minutes for it to, okay. So there's his application time. And, okay, we got to let it dry for about 20 minutes. This is FlexGuard. Okay, we already have this set right there if we have the thin set. We're waiting for this to dry. Okay. Here, Jose, here. Let me, yeah. Okay, I gotta pay this guy while I'm sitting here. Here's $50. That's probably gonna take to wait for this thing here. Okay. Hey, do you think you could have had this tile set by now? Yeah, I think so. I think you could put on another FlexGuard here and there and there and there and there by the time you wait for this. Huh?
Yeah, let's see.
Yeah, just try another one over there. Not only are you like done and you're ready to make more money while you're waiting for this to dry. So when they say it's you can install immediately, it's kind of like after you build a home, you can immediately move in. Doesn't mean too much. I'm going to put this down. So we're filling stick also, but we're going to be ready to set tile on this in about another 10 seconds, 15 seconds here also. And go roll it back up. There you go. There. Now besides that, look at that. He made more money while this was drying. You got to set some more. So your income can go grow exponentially on this. If I was paying a crew, I'd much rather have them put down FlexGuard. Lifetime warranty, 3/8 of an inch horizontal. There you go. Ready for another piece. There you go. Yeah. Okay. Well, we don't have time to do all this. So anyway, that's still drying. You can see it still sitting right there. This is FlexGuard. 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 Remember FlexGuard. And it definitely pays to use FlexGuard. I think I probably owe you about 80 cents to put down the FlexGuard, and that's going to be kind of expensive over there. Oh, plus you had to run down and go get the gallon of primer, didn't you?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Was that free gas?
No.
No, that was cost gas to get primer too. Okay, well, and you got some rollers to roll it down on the big job, and were those free?
No.
You had to pay for rollers too. Okay, well.
To buy me a brush.
Yeah. So you could actually had some Christmas presents with using FlexGuard, huh?
Still not dry.
Still not dry. Okay, well we're done because we're bored to death on this one here, and that's just costing money as the time clicks away. Thank you for joining FlexGuard. See us at flexguardproducts.com, and thank you for joining us. If you have any questions, give us a call, 1-800-279-7600, and if I can get my money back here. Okay, I got it back. Thank you.